Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Kesha Zahra Juliansyah, student ID number 64250589, kelas 641A25, Manajemen Studi Program, first semester. Here, I will share my opinion about smoking in campus area. Campus, a place where we gain knowledge, exchange ideas, and shape our future. It should be the most conducive place for learning. But what if our comfort is disturbed by something that shouldn't be there? We are talking about cigarette smoke. Many campuses have implemented smoking bans, but we still frequently see it behind buildings, in parking lots, and even on the side of the road. Some might feel it's a personal right, but should personal right override others' right to breathe clean air? Cigarette smoke isn't just about comfort, it's a health issue, not just for smokers, but also for us, passive smokers. Moreover, passive smoking can be even more dangerous because they inhale unfiltered cigarette smoke, and those exposed continuously can be at the same or even higher risk of disease than active smokers. However, active smokers who also become passive smokers certainly face the greatest risk due to the double exposure. Campus is our second home, a space for growth, not a place to harm our health. Let's create a clean and healthy campus. Wherever breath we take is a breath of goodness. Let's show that students care not only about grades but also about the environment. Because on a healthy campus, a bright future begins. Okay, that's all about my opinion the issue of smoking in campus area. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello everyone, I'm Kesha Zara Juliansyah, student ID number 64250589, kelas 641A25, Manajemen Studi Program, first semester. Today, I'm going to talk about the question words. Table of content, first definition, second specific function, third sentence structure. First definition question word. Word used to ask for specific information, not just yes or no answer, often called WH question. Question words, also called interrogative words or WH words, and including how, often referred to as a word used to ask questions such as what, who, where, when, why, which, was, and how. Specific function. The primary purpose of using question word, also called interrogative word, is to request detailed answer, rather than simple yes or no response. Each word serves a unique function to inquire about a specific type of information. Third, sentence structure. The formula to make question word a simple present. If you ask subject, use this question word. Example, what plus verb 1 plus s or as plus object plus question mark. If you ask verb, question word plus do or does plus subject plus do plus question mark. If you ask object, question word plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus question mark. If you ask adverb, question word plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. The formula to make question word at simple past. If you ask subject, question word plus verb 2 plus object plus question mark. If you ask verb, question word plus did plus subject plus do plus question mark. If you ask object, question word plus did plus subject plus verb 1 plus question mark. If you ask adverb, question word plus did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. The formula to make question word at simple future. Subject. If you ask subject, question word plus will plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. If you ask verb, question word plus will or shall plus subject plus do plus question mark. If you ask object, question word plus will or shall plus subject plus verb 1 plus question mark. If you ask adverb, question word plus will or shall plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. The formula to make question word at present continuous. If you ask subject, use this question word plus is plus verb ing plus object plus question mark. If you ask verb, question word plus is, or are plus subject plus doing plus question mark. If you ask object, question word is, or are plus subject plus verb ing plus question mark. If you ask adverb, question word plus is plus or are plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus question mark. Next, where, di mana. It is used to ask about the location or place. Formula, where plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? Where is your mom? Di mana ibumu? Next, what, apa, or apakah. It is used to ask about a thing or information. Formula, what plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, what do you want? Apa yang kamu inginkan? What are you doing? Apa yang kamu lakukan? Next, why? Mengapa? It is used to ask about the reason or explanation. Formula, why plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, why are you crying? Mengapa kamu menangis? Why are you late? Mengapa kamu terlambat? Next, when? Kapan? It is used to ask about the time or duration. Formula, when plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, when is your birthday? Kapan ulang tahunmu? When will you come? Kapan kamu akan datang? Next, who, siapa, menanyakan subjek. It is used to ask about a person or people. Formula, who plus verb plus object plus question mark. Example, who are you? Siapa kamu? Who is your favorite actor? Siapa aktor favorit kamu? Nextnya, whom. Siapa menanyakan objek. It is used to ask about the object of an action. Formula, whom plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, whom did you invite the party? Siapa yang kamu undang ke pesta itu? Whom are you going to meet? Dengan siapa kamu akan bertemu? Next, whose. Punya siapa? It is used to ask about ownership or possession. Formula, whose plus noun plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, whose book is this? Ini buku siapa? Whose are these novels? Punya siapa novel-novel ini? Which, yang mana? It is used to ask about a specific choice or selection. Formula, which plus noun plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, which one is easier? Yang mana yang lebih mudah? Which color do you want? Warna apa yang kamu inginkan? Next, how, bagaimana? It is used to ask about the manner or condition. Formula, how plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Example, how are you? Bagaimana kabarmu? How was your exam? Bagaimana ujian kamu? How much? Berapa banyak? It is used to ask about quantity, uncountable nouns. Benda atau barang yang tidak bisa dihitung. Formula: how much plus uncountable noun plus auxiliary verb plus pronoun plus verb plus question mark. Example: how much sugar do you need? Berapa banyak gula yang kamu butuhkan? How much water do you drink every day? Berapa banyak air yang kamu minum setiap hari? Next, how many? Berapa banyak? It is used to ask about quantity, countable nouns, bisa dihitung. Formula: how many plus plural countable noun plus auxiliary verb plus pronoun plus verb plus question mark. Example: how many siblings do you have? Berapa banyak saudara yang kamu punya? How many friends did you meet? Berapa banyak teman yang kamu temui? Okay, that's all my presentation. Sorry if there are any mistake. Thank you. Bye-bye.